Lazy days in mid-July, country Sunday morning, dusty haze on summer highways, sweet magnolia calling. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days that we were walking in the Alabama rain. Drive-in movies Friday nights, drinking beer and laughing. Somehow things were always right, I just don't know what happened. But now and then I find myself thinking of the days that we were walking in the Alabama rain. We were only kids, but then I never heard it said that kids can't fall in love and feel the same. I can still remember the first time I told you I love you on a dusty mid-July, hot the summer's evenings. Weeping willows sang its lullaby and shared our secret. But now and then I find myself thinking of the days that we were walking in the Alabama rain. Walking in the Alabama